Samsung Dryer Repair Services in Los Angeles specialize in Samsung dryer repair that consists of Samsung gas dryer repair and Samsung electric dryer repair, Samsung front load dryer repair, and Samsung top load dryer repair, along with all other Samsung dryer models. If you are having problems with your Samsung dryer, such as the dryer won't start, you need a Samsung dryer belt replacement, the dryer stops turning during the cycle, the dryer won't turn at all, the dryer takes too long, the dryer is too hot, the dryer won't stop, the dryer doesn't heat, the dryer trips the breaker, the dryer makes noise. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.